lever down, push the lever down, that's it, indicate left. That's it. Straighten up. Right, there's a bus there, so we need to stop behind the bus. Because we don't know if the bus is coming, going, staying, or what. What do you think we should do? Yeah, we should indicate right and go around it. Indicate right and go around it. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You come into a roundabout. Okay, we're indicating left at the roundabout. Okay, we've got to give way to the cars coming from the right. So there's a car coming, we're going to stop. Stop, 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 stop. Are we still indicating left?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Go, go, go.
Okay. I can get used to it.
You can get used to it, yeah. Okay, we've got another roundabout coming up. We need to indicate left again. That's it. Okay, turn, 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 turn.
I am!
Be good.
You're distracting me.
Okay, right, where should we park? Should we indicate right and go down this one? Okay, turn down this one. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn quicker. More turn.
I can.
More turn. More turn. That's
I
it, straighten up. Don't want to run over that guy who's giving us a filthy look. He might want to run him over. I'm going to turn right at the end, so we'll slow down, start looking around and start turning gently, a little bit at a time. That's it. And then we're going to park in the parent-child. Because I think you are still a child, even though you're driving. Okay, steer over there. Turn right.
Yeah.
Keep going. Turn. More. More. Turn. Yeah, crash. Gonna crash. Gonna crash. Gonna crash. Left. Oh, there we go. Boom. Stop. 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 Put it in neutral. What do you reckon? First lesson?
Nice.